Hi everybody, just another short video tutorial on the Windows DOS command, this time on the ping command. So first of all, to go through the ping command, we need to open the command prompt. So to do that, as usual, in the Windows search bar, type in CMD and then click on the command prompt icon. As always, I'm running as administrator. So once you're at the command prompt, you simply need to type in ping. And the ping command, in its simplest form, I guess, is sending a signal to another device and then getting a response, which will tell you if it's alive or not. So officially, I think it's you are sending an echo request to a remote device, and you get a echo response back if that device is active or not. So this is a great tool for network diagnostics to enable you to find out if another device on your network, local or remote, is alive and well. So let's do that. So in terms of sending a ping, as I say, type in ping or ping space, and then you need to do the target device. So for this example, I'm going to use my router on my home network, and the address is 192.168.1.1. Then hit enter, and you can see it's sending a number of packets. So it sent 4 packets, and you can see here for each line represents it sending a packet. So you can see I'm getting a response 192.168.1.1, which is my router, of 32 bytes, and the time to receive the response was 4 milliseconds. So it's sending an incredibly small amount of data, and it's coming back incredibly quickly. But then it should, because that router obviously is just somewhere else in my house. So if we look at the ping statistics or the summary, sent 4 packets, we've received successfully back 4 packets, so we've lost nothing, which is a 0% loss. It shows you the amount of time for the round trip for each time it did the ping test, 3 milliseconds, 4 milliseconds, and so we've got an average of 3 milliseconds. So this tells us that the router, in my case, is alive and well, or at least it's replying to show it's active. You can also do a ping test to a remote device. So let's do that to Google, for example. So here you would type ping space www.google.com. Hit enter, and it starts sending the pings. So you can see here you've got a reply from this IP address, which is Google. Again, 32 bytes is the packet size, 4 milliseconds, and it's done that 4 times. So if we look at the summary, packet sent 4, received 4, lost is 0. So let's see what would happen if we ping a device and it's not active. So I'm going to ping an IP address on my local area network that I know does not exist. So that will give me the same results as if I was pinging a device which was down. So if I ping 192.168.2.2, for example, I know that does not exist. So press enter. You can see it's taking a bit longer now because it's not getting a response. So there we go. First packet sent, timed out. And I expect it'll do that another 3 times. There we are, the second time. And a third time. And a 4th time. And you can see completely timed out. And you look at the ping statistics, it says sent 4 packets, received nothing back, all 4 were lost. So that's 100% loss. So that tells us that that remote device is down. So you can see the ping command prompt command is really useful for network diagnostics. Anyway, I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.